Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have two Ladas from Russia. Both of these toy car models are both from Russia. They're both Russian Ladas, so we're gonna go take a look at these today. So yeah, first one we got is the regular Lada with a nice spoiler on the back. It has a very nice back headlight that's pretty cool. Put it on here. Then here's spin it around. Pretty cool silver wheels on the car. Very nice black paint job. Has some nice headlights and the Lada logo. You can also pop open the hood and also open the doors of the car, which I think make a noise sometimes. So yeah, here we go. You can open the doors and the hood too. You can see the engine of the car in the front. So yeah, pretty cool. Not really too much details, but it's still a pretty nice car to have in my collection. So yeah. There it is. Put it right here. Next car we got is the Lada Taxi. So let's put it on here. It's basically a Lada, but they added an extra piece on the back. So it can be like a taxi. It has a pretty cool taxi deco. It has a letter T for taxi. Cool racing stripes. And also some back headlights on the car. And some front headlight tampos. Front headlights. And also it has a taxi logo on top. Very nice bright yellow. You can also open the doors for this one. And the hood, I think. Wait, hold up. Can the hood open? Okay. That's cool. The hood opens like an old Corvette. You pull it from the back. So that's pretty cool. I thought it opens from the front. I was like, why wasn't it opening? So yeah. So that's pretty cool. If you take a look at the engine, it looks pretty cool too. But yeah, there it is. We got some pretty nice chrome wheels this time. So yeah. Wow, look at that. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. And yeah, bye.